Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Brick Can in Roblox full guide. Walk to the spawn area, locate the vendor gazebo, and approach the Brick Can NPC to start the trade sequence. Complete the short introductory quest to earn tokens if you lack currency. Confirm the price, accept the prompt, and claim the Brick Can from your inventory to equip it immediately for building and cosmetic use. Start by opening the game map and scanning for vendor icons that indicate Brick Can locations, then set a waypoint. Vendors often rotate spawns, so hang out and watch for refresh windows to increase your chances. Ask nearby players or peek at in-game chat for tips and live sightings, and be ready to move quickly when a Brick Can appears so you don't miss the short window to purchase and claim it. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: I spotted a book that can change how you think about money, called The Simple Path to Wealth, and it made me rethink saving for in-game and real purchases. Check the description for the link and extra deals if you want to grab it. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Budget your in-game coins by saving rewards from daily missions and events so you can buy the Brick Can without extra grinding. Before you purchase, compare prices across nearby vendors to spot deals or markup differences that could cost you coins. Watch for group bonuses, limited promos, or temporary discounts that reduce the Brick Can price, and apply any eligible promo codes to make the most of your funds before confirming your purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.